Ever found yourself staring at a new company card, a shiny piece of plastic promising streamlined expenses, but you're just stuck? You're wondering, okay, great, but how do I actually use this thing? Especially when it's an Expensify card, a tool designed to simplify your financial life, that initial hurdle can feel surprisingly large. Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to demystify the activation process, step by step, so you can ditch the confusion and start leveraging the power of your Expensify card immediately. Let's be honest, expense management can be a headache. Receipts piling up, trying to remember what you spent where, and then the dreaded reconciliation process. Expensify aims to solve that, and the card is a core component. But if you can't activate it, it's just a fancy paperweight, right? The good news is, activating your Expensify card is designed to be straightforward. First things first, you'll need your Expensify account details. Whether you're a personal user or part of a company account, access your Expensify app or website. This is your command center. Now, locate the cards section. This might be found in a menu or a sidebar, depending on your Expensify interface. Inside, you should see a prompt to activate a new card. This is where you'll enter the specific details of your card. This usually involves a few key pieces of information: the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code on the back. Double-check these details to ensure accuracy. Even a small typo can lead to activation failure, and nobody wants that. Once you've entered the card details, Expensify may require additional verification. This could involve confirming your identity through a code sent to your email or phone number. This is a crucial security measure, so don't skip it. After the verification, you'll likely be asked to set a PIN for your card. This is your personal identification number, essential for ATM withdrawals and some point-of-sale transactions. Choose a strong PIN that you can remember, but that's difficult for others to guess. Now, here's a crucial tip. After activation, take a moment to review your card settings within Expensify. You can often set spending limits, categorize expenses, and even link the card to specific projects or reports. This level of customization allows you to tailor the card to your exact needs. For corporate users, this might also involve linking your card to a specific cost center or department. This ensures accurate tracking and reporting, simplifying your company's financial overview. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, don't hesitate to reach out to Expensify support. They have a dedicated team ready to assist you. You can usually find contact information within the app or on the Expensify website. Remember, the goal is to make your financial life easier. By activating your Expensify card, you're taking a significant step towards streamlined expense management. No more lost receipts, no more frantic calculations. Just seamless, automated tracking. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.